Hey, good Tuesday morning, everyone. Eric here with a quick video blog for you. It's a busy weather pattern this week, so I thought it'd be best if I just kind of recapped everything in a short video this morning. Here's what's going on this morning. It's warm, it's wet, just as we expected. It's February 7th, and we have temperatures like this at 9 o'clock in the morning, 53 in Austintown, 52 in Youngstown, and 52 in Lisbon. The last places to warm up will be north of I-80. Notice Sandy Lake still at 42, but even over there, it will warm up over the next several hours. Right now, the steadiest of the rain is around and north of I-80 at about 13 minutes after 9. Some pretty good downpours around Warren, along 422 and Niles as well. And it's raining at a decent clip over in Mercer County. Renegade shower, Louisville to Alliance right now. But as I talked about yesterday, this isn't going to be like this all day today. Notice big hole in the action out to the south and west. We're going to get into some dry intervals over the next several hours. Now, it can rain occasionally, but it's not going to be as consistently wet as it was first thing this morning. We had some thunder and lightning earlier north of Akron. We actually, very early this morning, before daybreak, had a couple of lightning strikes in parts of Mahoning County. Now, there can be some thunder today. Now, I'm not concerned about severe weather locally. When we, that's not what I wanted. I wanted to show you this, the day one severe weather outlook. When we take a look at this, the risk of damaging thunderstorms, strong winds, large hail, that sort of thing, is quite a bit higher to our south and west. Maybe it'll load for me. There is a slight risk, if it eventually loads, maybe I'll just draw it myself. There's a slight risk of severe weather in this zone through here. Our chance for thunder is there, but I don't think conditions are right today for any sort of, severe weather. So we have that going for us. Might get a rare February thunderstorm, but severe weather, not all that likely. All right, let's take a look at our future radar here. As we go into the afternoon, by 2, 3, 4 o'clock, showers start to become a little more likely again. Again, there could be a clap of thunder in this. I think this is probably a little overdone on the model here, but I do think the rain chances ramp up at least somewhat by mid-afternoon, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, showers here and there, even though it won't be a wall of water, probably like you see on the model here. A better chance to get wet late this afternoon as compared to around midday. And by later this evening, not much going on by 9, 10, 11 o'clock, maybe a stray sprinkle or a shower. Highs today near 60, that would be a new record high. Our current record, kind of low-hanging fruit, if you will. 57 degrees is the record high today. That's a pretty low record for this time of the year. Most of our records in early February are in the 60s. But today, that record of 57 is probably going to fall. All right, so let's start focusing on Wednesday into Wednesday night. We're going to trade the rain for some snow, it looks like, as temperatures continue to cool. Temperatures tomorrow during the day will stay in the 30s, about 25 degrees cooler than today, and it'll be even colder on Thursday. But let's focus on Wednesday into Wednesday night. Tomorrow morning, no problems. It's going to be colder, but it's going to be just cloudy and pretty uneventful. Might be a touch of drizzle here and there for your Wednesday morning. As we get into late in the day, this is when our concern increases for some snow. This is the NAM model, the North American model. At 4 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, a band of snow starting to form around northern and north central Ohio, back into Indiana as well. The big question is, where does this go? And the models are coming into better agreement here that it looks like it's going to snow some around our region for a time, late tomorrow afternoon into tomorrow evening. This will be a bigger problem, I think, for points to our east, but still, we're going to get clipped with some light snow, it looks like, and this could make for a few slick spots for evening commuters tomorrow evening. No problems during the school day tomorrow. It's tomorrow evening that we have the possibility of some light snow pushing through. Notice, by midnight, 1 o'clock in the morning, Wednesday night into Thursday morning, this is now off to our east. So I don't think this is going to be a problem for Thursday morning. This is a Wednesday evening problem for the most part. Snow accumulations, again, a bigger deal to our east. This will be several inches from the Poconos in northeast PA up through the Catskills, the Berkshires, and maybe even, Allentown, PA, New York City, places like that. Around here, notice our model's not spitting out a whole lot. When you see the blue colors, that's 2 inches and up. I think 2 inches might even be pushing it a little bit. I could see where that's possible. Here's the European model odds of 1 inch or more worth of snow. We're kind of right here, and that kind of corresponds to about 20 to 30%. That's your chance of more than an inch worth of snow. Notice the odds go up as you go south. Anybody traveling down Route 7, Route 11, heading down towards southeast Ohio, the Athens area, heading over towards Wheeling, Steubenville, Morgantown, West Virginia, those places have a higher risk of seeing several inches worth of snow. The National Weather Service forecast odds of more than 1 inch worth of snow through Wednesday night. This kind of blue color here corresponds to about 40 to 50%. And notice the odds are higher again as you go south of Youngstown. And finally, our SREF plumes here, short range ensemble model, the mean or the average is about 1 inch. When you look at all the members of this model and you take an average of all the solutions here, it's about 1 inch. So I think the most likely scenario here for our Wednesday afternoon, Wednesday evening snow is generally around 1 inch. It's not going to be a huge storm, but it could be impactful because it's coming when a lot of people are heading home from work. So we're going to keep you updated on that throughout the day as new model information comes in. In the meantime, today, scattered showers rest of today, windy and warm, could be some gusts to 40 miles per hour or so this afternoon. Tomorrow morning starts out uneventful, just colder in the 30s. The snow possibilities ramp up as we get into tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening. Don't think it'll be a problem during the school day tomorrow. Don't think we'll have problems with school adjustments Thursday morning because of any snow. This is mostly a late Wednesday afternoon, Wednesday evening little snow event. And then really cold Thursday. Wind chills in the teens Thursday. After highs near 60 today, wind chills in the teens on Thursday. So dramatic changes. And then I'll show you this real quickly here. I know this video is getting kind of long. You know, again, a real roller coaster ride. We're talking teens wind chills Thursday, temperatures 20s, temperatures back in the 50s, just in time for the weekend. It might rain a little bit this weekend, but I don't think that's a big deal when it's in the 50s in February. All right, of course, more updates throughout the day. Make sure you're following Jess Berganti. She's in the studio. I'll see you this evening on 21 News at 6 and 11.